Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, honorable all of the committee, presenter and participant. First of all, in this insightful session, allow me to thank for opportunity that has given to me to us to present the article with the title Village Head Communication Pattern in Community Empowerment Effort Drug Village Conference. And the second time, let me introduce the speakers and the author. The speakers today, I am Wuri Handayani. I am from Expert Training and Empowerment Center, or PSM, for village communities, disadvantaged region and transmigration, or BPP-MDD-TT in Banjarmasin. Ladies and gentlemen, and now we are going to move on to the main presentation, where I would like to present the result of my article, trying to make it as short as possible as a time given. Structure my presentation based on this outline: introduction, research problem or question, method and analysis, and then a conclusion. Let me briefly talk about the number one, introduction. In our daily interaction, we often use verbal and nonverbal communication to convey a goals. In English, the word communication is communication. Etymology, the word communication comes from the Latin communico, communicatio, or communicare, which mean to make the same. Communicatio, which mean notification or exchange of the, come from the word communis, which mean common property or sharing is a process that aim to build understanding and together. Meanwhile, in the terminology, the word communication refers to the process of delivering a statement by one party to others. Communicating both within the family or social community and to share knowledge to achieve the expected goals. Without communication, we cannot share knowledge or experience with others. The communication process, in the case, convey messages from the senders to the receiver of the message, can be through speak, reading, gesture, and broadcasting. A movie. So, communicating is very important for life, both within the family and society. With us communicating the goal we expect run optimally. There are no human who are not involved in communication, and no human life independently without associating with their involvement. Communication occurs because humans are interconnected. Social interaction occurs. Every job requires communication, not only serving to establish and connect one person to others, but communication also plays an important role in planning, coordination, and information. Effective communication can also inspire many people to fight for something. Therefore, communication is responsible for change the life of many people. With a note, it must be done effectively. The pattern of communication is a system of delivering messages to certain a symbol, which contain meaning and the passing of stimuli to change the behavior of other individuals. Communication pattern is agency, institution, community, or organization. Cannot be separated from personal communication pattern, which are divided into first intrapersonal communication and interpersonal communication, and group communication. First, small group communication and large group communication, as well as mass communication and media communication. Number 2. Research problem or question. What is the pattern of communication between the village head and the BPD elements and the village community in an effort to empower the community through village meetings? Number 3. Method. Qualitative content analysis is simple or descriptive content analysis, which only describe the aspect and character of a particular message or text. The qualitative content analysis here is in the form of words, synthesis, or narrative that can be obtained through observation. Number 4. Analysis. Historically, the village was the forerunner of the formation of a political society and government in Indonesia long before this country was formed. The village is an autonomous institution with its own tradition, custom, and punishment, and is relatively independent. This is shown, among other things, by the high level of diversity that make the village perhaps the most conserved form of the nation. Village authority include existing authorities based on village origin right. The authorities regulated by the prevailing law and the regulation have not been carried out by the region and government as well as the assistance tax from the government, provincial government, and district governments. The result of the village deliberation in the form of an agreement as outlined in the decision of the result of the deliberation are used. Village regulation were drawn up the village head together with the BPD, joint regulation of the village head, and cooperation agreement with third parties, and decision of the village head. The BPD together with the village head in drafting village regulation must ensure that the decision resulting for the village deliberation become the basis for the preparation of village regulation. The BPD must accommodate and channel the aspiration of the village community to ensure that the decision resulting from the village deliberation become the basis for the preparation of the village regulation. Achievement consensus is an effort that is not easy and requires the patience and greatness of the soul of all participants in the village deliberation. For this reason, the forum for meeting or deliberation of interest group and region group is carried out before the implementation of the village deliberation, so that the process of implementation the village deliberation session become more effective and focused. Number 5. Conclusion. The rule of communication pattern between the village head along with BPD element and the village community to create mutual care and respect. Get used to hearing and thinking about different views and opinions, and seeking conclusion based on the best consideration and do for the interest of village community. The ability to sort and choose carefully but continues be first in the decision to formulate the best decision that can be mutually agreed upon. And here are reference for the article Village Head Communication Pattern in Community Empowerment Effort. Village Conference. Thank you for watching and see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.